Question about Halachos of Brochos.
Mm-hmm.
For eating inedible food, for example, unripe apple,
Mm-hmm.
when should we say shehakol? And when should
No.
we not
Also,
say brahado?
okay, so if it's unedible, we don't say blessing because it's not good for us. It's not. Right. So if it's if it's very like a sour, like very green, so we don't say any blessing. But if it's not ripe, but I mean it's edible, but it's better not like sometimes like what happened to me just recently. We bought bananas, and one of them like not they were completely green, and I thought that they become a little yellow. So not they become yellow, and I thought that they actually ripe now. So but they were not. So like, unfortunately, it was very like they were not ready. Right. So on this you would say shechako because can you eat them? Yeah. Is it taste of banana? It's a little. You understand? So on apples when they close, like still sour. For example, the dry product would be more sweet and sour, right? But they still sour but edible, like if in case of the meat. So you would say shechako. But if it's like very unedible, so you don't say any blessing.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So in my case, these bananas. So if you try to eat them green as they are, so you would not say blessing. But when they became yellow, so I mean, of course, I did not think of it. I mean, from the look of it, they were ready. So you would say shechakol because they were not ready. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.